3, 2, 1, please welcome our best friend, Pearly! Palakpakan naman po natin everyone! Yes! So Pearly will come here in second. Pearly celebration here. We really need this is Jollibee. Yes! Hi, Pearly! Kamusta naman yung araw natin ngayon, Pearly? Okay na okay pa rin. Maganda pa rin. And sexy, no? Yes! Alright, so sige, Pearly. And everyone, let's say hi to Pearly first. Hi, Pearly! Wow! So mukhang nag-enjoy, especially yung mga ating mga girl na kids, no? Yan, so nandito ang ating beso na si Pearly. And nasaan? Nasaan ang kita na ang saya? Ano, Pearly? Nandoon! Nasa Jolly Town pa! Then nandito na siya, Pearly. Kasama mo siya ngayon. So everyone, sabay-sabay po natin i-welcome ang tunay na bida na saya, ang best friend ni Pearly at best friend natin lahat na may malalaking mata, pipig na laging nakatawa at pag naglalakad ay pakending-kending pa. Ang tunay na bida ng saya. So let's count down again in 10, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, please welcome Jollibee! Yes! Welcome Jollibee! King, may takot sa Diyos at madasalin. Palakpakan naman natin. Yes, and for the second wish naman ni Jollibee for Riri na sana si Riri ay lumaking strong and healthy, of course. Meron akong wish. May wish ko din pala si Twirly. So sige na, para ang wish ni Twirly, para kay Riri na sana lumaki siyang sexy and maganda tulad ni Mommy. Yes. And of course, Twirly din. And for the last wish ni Jollibee for Twirly na sana I see Jollibee para kay Riri na sana si Riri ay lumaki Bibo and always be happy like Jollibee, of course. Palakpakan naman natin. Yes, thank you so much, Jollibee and Twirly, for your wishes for our Yeah! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Siyempre, isang masayang happy birthday song naman dyan! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Alright, so now I think it's time to blow your candle, Riri, in 1, 2, 3, blow! Yes, a happy birthday to you once again, Riri, and hindi mawawala ang family picture together with Jollibee at Riri. So ma'am, Mami Rose, ito pa tayo sa gitna. Yes,